Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust date and time settings on PlayStation Portal. To do this, first we'll need to swipe our finger from the right side of our screen, navigate to the settings and enter System. Right here we can find date and time. Inside we can adjust our date and time settings with automatic or manual option. If you decide on a manual, you can change your time zone right here. Then adjust the time right here and also switch your date. Then we can go back. Next option for date and time is a time format. Here we can switch between 12 hours and 24 hours clock. And the last one is date format, that's the stamp. So first you can see the date, then a month and a year, and that's how you adjust it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.